London. I am Gitish. I start my day at 7 a.m. and I have breakfast at 8 o'clock on weekdays. I usually have milk, cereal and apple. Sometimes I have fried eggs with cheese and some juice. Apple juice is my favorite, but I like mango juice too. We don't grow any mangoes in our country, but we can get mango juice at the supermarket. Hello, I am Hiba from Saudi Arabia. It is very hot here, so our school starts at 7 a.m. I get up at 5 in the morning and I have my breakfast at 6 o'clock. For breakfast, I usually have some hot bench and bread. Sometimes I have eggs. I drink juice almost every morning. Mango milk. Our family don't. I like it very much.
বন্ধুরা দেখুন কত সুন্দর এই বাবুটা পড়তে পারে, পরে পড়েও এত দ্রুত ইংলিশ পড়তে পারে। বাহ, সবাই দেখে আপনারা একে কত মার্ক দেবেন।